Privacy principles and international frameworks. The foundational privacy principles such as the Fair Information Practice Principles, FIPPs, and the OECD Guidelines provide a baseline for privacy practices worldwide. These principles emphasize transparency, accountability, and user control over personal information. They set the stage for regulatory compliance and help organizations build trust with their stakeholders. Adopting privacy frameworks. Frameworks like the NIST Privacy Framework, ISO/IEC 27701, and BS 10012 provide structured methodologies for managing privacy risks. These frameworks guide organizations in creating, implementing, and assessing privacy policies and practices that comply with legal and regulatory requirements. They are crucial for developing a robust privacy management system that aligns with business strategies and technological architectures. Theoretical insights into privacy. Exploring theoretical models such as Helen Nissenbaum's contextual integrity and Ryan Callow's harms dimensions enriches our understanding of privacy beyond compliance. These models advocate for a nuanced consideration of context and the nature of harm, respectively, which can help technologists design systems that respect user expectations and mitigate potential damages from privacy breaches. Risk management in information privacy. The Factor Analysis in Information Risk, FAIR, model provides a quantitative approach to privacy risk assessment. By evaluating the likelihood and impact of risks, organizations can prioritize resources effectively and enhance their risk management strategies. Privacy by Design principles. Operationalizing privacy by design. Privacy by design, PBD, is not just a policy but a proactive approach embedded into the lifecycle of IT systems and business practices. It involves ensuring privacy from the initial design stages through to the final stages of the data lifecycle. Principles such as embedding privacy into design, ensuring full functionality, and maintaining transparency are integral to PBD. Part C, Privacy-related technology fundamentals. Technological and organizational practices. Understanding the interplay between privacy and security practices is vital for privacy technologists. This includes distinguishing between data security incidents and privacy breaches, and understanding how technologies can be leveraged to support privacy through data protection measures such as encryption and access controls. Data management and compliance. Managing data through its life cycle, from collection to destruction, is a critical aspect of privacy. Technologies must be designed to ensure data accuracy, relevance, and retention limitations. Additionally, conducting data protection impact assessments, DPIAs, helps identify and mitigate risks associated with data processing activities. Conclusion. As digital technologies continue to evolve, the role of the privacy technologist becomes more complex and integral to an organization's success. Preparing for the CIPT certification empowers professionals with the knowledge to implement privacy in technology effectively, ensuring that privacy considerations keep pace with technological advancements. By mastering these foundational principles, technologists can help forge a path towards a more secure and privacy-respecting digital future.